Hello, hello po mga kapitbahay. This is Kapitbahay USA. Yan po, it's been a long time talaga si Kapitbahay USA talaga. Hindi po nakapag-share ng ating lulutuin. So, right now, ayan po, Kapitbahay USA ready for cooking. And my husband is just got home. Ayan. Hello, sweetheart. Can you say hi to my... Hello, this is my sweetheart.
Kapitbahay USA.
He just got home po. And are you excited about your dinner? Okay, so he's excited about his dinner, mga kapitbahay. So ang lulutuin po talaga natin ngayon is the chicken. Ayan po, chicken breast. Ayan po, I put some salt and pepper and flour. And right now, ito po ang aking mashed potatoes. Ayan po mga kapitbahay. So, ayan po. And also, I'm gonna make some green beans. Ayan po, for the side. So, ano po ba? Yan lang po talaga ang aking lutuin for today kasi talagang parang feeling ko busog na busog po talaga ako. So, I don't know what I'm gonna make it today. So, just random like chicken. It's because today mga kapitbahay, kung nakapanood kayo ng live ko kanina, nag-Jollibee talaga ako. So, talagang I just had so much fun today po talaga. So, thank you so much po everyone, to all my viewers. And mega shout out po to all my members. Thank you so much po everyone. And thank you so much, Kapitbahay USA, all over the world. Thank you so much. Love you all. Love Kapitbahay USA.